Hello guys, what's up today? You know, happy holidays, because every day we head up to close to the holiday, right? So I know everybody's like trying to buy something, like I know gift, a lot of gift gonna be bought like in the stores right now. Everybody's like, I have to put some money on the side because people's coming to my house, under my trees, they're gonna find gift. I know what the deal is. It's really cool to enjoy holidays with family. By the way, we're not here today for the holidays. We're here today to motivate you, to help you stand up, move up, or move forward. That's all we're gonna do today. So, every day I always have a question for you. So my question today is, what hold you back? What hold you back? Qui ça qui empêche ou? Qui ça qui kembe ou? Qui ça qui bralo descend? Qui ça qui empêche ou grandi? What hold you back? What hold you down? Qui ça qui empêche ou grandi? Posez-toi toute question ça, ou même qui la caille. Posez-toi toute question ça, ou même qui a suivi Chilling in the Car with Benji Perrault. Posez-toi toute question ça. What's holding you down? What's holding you down? What is blocking you to reach your goal? Est-ce que c'est peut-être parents? Est-ce que c'est ou même encore un des amis avant? Est-ce que c'est mari ou ménage? Est-ce que c'est on amis taille ou bien qui ça qui kembe ou? Qui ça qui empêche ou avancer? Qui ça qui empêche ou river quand vous voulez river? En plus, nous souvent a dit que la vie a pas fait pour moi. Bagay yo pas douce pour moi. Bagay yo empêche m'avancer. En plus, des fois, nous-mêmes encore nous plaignons pour nous expliquer tribulation by l'autre. Tribulation by amis, by monde qui dans entourage. Mais on va nous toujours oublier que souvent entourage nous pas vle trop bien pour nous. Souvent à mon wap dit là, il pas vle qui veut côté ta supposé rivière. Souvent monde qui bon côté là, c'est lui même qui blocage là. Moun wap expliquer les affaires là, c'est lui même encore qui blocage là. C'est lui même encore qui empêche de river côté vle rivière. C'est lui même encore qui pas vle ou ouais futur. Parce que chaque pas pas fait, c'est en conséquence liée pour le futur. Chaque matin levé ou pas constant dans dream son bac, son empêchement, son blocage pour sauver les faire, pour qu'on trouve les rivières, pour sauver les accomplir. Parce que chaque pas ou pas fait, on met tête en retard par rapport avec l'heure où tu as supposé aboutir à travail ou à faire, à business ou à dream ça ou besoin vivre là, sont pas en moins ou fait. Alors, what's hold you back? Leave it in the comment. Quittez un commentaire, dis qui ça qui empêche, qui ça qui faut beaucoup river quand tu veux rivière, qui ça qui empêche avancer pour connaître sur qui ça pour travail. What's hold you back? Comment est-ce qu'il dit dans la Bible, silence volant, à chaque fois l'ennemi dit et fait silence, l'Éternel a combattre pour. Par contre, si vous comprenez partie ça, il dit silent and God will fight for you. Fight with your enemies, fight with anything that you're dealing with. So les gens qui tout compte comme ça et les haïtiens comme tout comme ça, so moi chita sur Exode 14 moi. Alors, sometimes in the life you need to stay back on your Exode 14, Exodus 14. You need to lay back on it. Jean haïtien dit là chita sur Exode 14 verset 14 parce que l'Éternel lui-même la bataille pour. Et mais gon bagay pour dire, gon bagay pour faire dans la vie ou tout. L'ochita sur Exode 14 là. Il y a des projets qu'on veut accomplir, on pas obligé après nos amis pour dire ah bon tout, on connaît me faire ceci, me faire cela, me faire cela pas. Avant expliquer zami ou là qui c'est entourage, avant expliquer famille là qui dans entourage, avant expliquer pas qu'on est un monde qui bon côté ou là t'as supposé aider ou bien t'as supposé comme si à partager la veille là. Gardez sous qui point le camper. Gardez qui piédestal li. Gardez sous qui ça veut accomplir dans ville. Parce que si pas veut faire un, I'm telling you right now, she not gonna let you do anything. He's not gonna help you to do like half of one. Si le bac à fond dollar parce qu'il te fait 50 cents parce que ou pas venir trop important pour lui ou pas venir pas à 100 000 parce qu'on gagne $1 pas gagne $1. En pile de fois nous ouais moun yo comme si you just parce que tel get arrivé là get pas à 100 000 encore or this or that. And let me tell you something, et pas parce que pas à 100 000 encore. Il pas joindre opportunité pour la palaver de business ni. Parce que palaver de business ni c'est faire perdre du temps sur ça sur projet là travail là parce que un ou pas le conseil pour le grandir, deux qui sont pas le faire pour lui, est-ce qu'on sont assez pour lui ou bien sont liability for that person. Est-ce que c'est dépenser ou faire le dépenser ou bien c'est gagner ou faire le gagner plus. C'est ça fait et ça fait nous pas obligé comprendre c'est parce que moun arrive au niveau obligé pas de caser mi encore pas parce que pas caser mon encore pas là il ka saluer mais you holding that person back instead of like pushing it up, you holding it back down. So pas gen moun k'ap d'accord perdre 1 centime pour whatever moun ni a pour whoever. Pas gen moun k'ap d'accord perdre un futur qui béni, un futur qui bien embelli, qui chéri et puis qu'on y a là pour la quitter lui pour même qui peut-être pas gen aucun projet so même pour une semaine. Ou par contre qui soit le faire notre travail, I'll just leave it. They give me that to do, I'm doing it, that's it. So I know every day I have to do 50-50, so I do 50, that's it. I know every day that you didn't progress. You cannot talk about like your progression, your future and stuff, and you want to have a lot of friends in your surrounding. No, they're not gonna let that happen, baby. They're not gonna let that happen, my man, my woman, my fellow Haitian. They're not gonna let that happen. Please stop complaining and see what's holding you back and change it. Ou pas grand pile moun nan vie ou non pas grand pile moun pour parler, ou pas grand pile moun pour enjoy. Ou kon qui ça gagne c'est que ou pas gagne comme ça utiliser temps ça pour qu'a faire un bagage pour tête. Parce que demain si Dieu veut ou battre bravo pour tête ou l'autre battre bravo pour tête ou après tout full applaudi pour vous parce que ou pas même moi côté full ça pendant ce temps y a gado y a vidéo koto tomber y a grain dessous m'dé ouais ça pour lui et pas faut lui te gagner faire this faire that pas ba opportunité ça. Don't give them this opportunity to laugh at you because the enemy they might not be enemies in your eyes, they might be afraid but they are enemy because they don't want you to go up, they don't want you to go nowhere. Keep silent on the project. Fais silence sur projet yo. Travaille en silence sur yo. And then fais l'exploser dans figure. Be silent on the project. Be silent on the project. I'm gonna say that on the third time. Be silent on the project. Working on your project on silent mode. Right? And after that, put the volume up. Hey, put the volume up when you accomplish it. And you see how many followers that you have, how many haters that you have either. Because both of them gonna be the thing is haters or not, they will clap for you because you reach it. They will talk about you. They will talk to anybody about you. They're not gonna work with you to make that happen, to make that like arrive where you want it, like where the vision want to put you. They're not gonna work with you. They're not gonna push you up. But when you arrive, they will eat with you. It's the same thing. I said to you, les manger ou pas toi les pile petit mi on bat là. But les manger à tout fait ou pas là tout. Mais les manger à séparer ou prend paquet moun. On va you. Dans pile petit mi on pas des amis. Maman me dit ça. Dans pile petit mi on pas des amis. Mais dans deux tout fait petit mi on séparer petit mi tout monde gen plat nan men. On pas trouver l'autre pile là. Ou pas trouver l'autre fruit aranso ou ta fruit enduit ou bien whatever sorte de là dedans. Ou ta fruit salami, ou ta fruit ta fait sauce ça. Ou pas trouver. Mais souffle dit faire pas là. Et ou pas j'aime là. Trust me. You pas j'aime là. Don't wait for anyone. Do not wait for anybody. Fast forward en silence. Y a vite manger, pas un problème. C'est pas grave. C'est pas grave. But think, mettez principe dans la vie. Gardez qui ça qu'empêche ou grandir. Mettez principe sur vous. Be constant on what you're doing. Do not be lazy. Like, today I'm doing it, tomorrow I'm not doing it. Or no. Be constant on what you're doing. Constantly post it. Constantly push it up. Constantly make an advertisement for it. Don't care about what they say. Don't care about how many times that you're doing and doing a day. Do it. Do it. Because you the only one see where you want to go. You the only one see what holding you back down. Dit dans la Bible tout. Mon évangile moi yo. Il dit dans la Bible tout. Tout ça qui empêche au servir l'Éternel, tout ça qui empêche au grandir, cœur couper le jeter. Si c'est mon qui empêche au servir bon Dieu, quittez le derrière. Madame ou empêche au servir bon Dieu, quittez le derrière. It's the same thing. Whoever block you, whoever stand in front of you, whoever try to block your word, cut it out. Beat that person, kick his ass or her ass. Reach it. Because this is your goal, this is your becoming, this is your future. This only you will work on it. Only you have to work hard on it. If you see somebody's come to you, helping you, be grateful. Greet that person. And work with that person. Because you don't see that every day. Things not coming like that every day. But when that happens, be grateful. See what's holding you down and reach your goal. This is Benji chilling in the car. You know that? Chilling in the car. Parce que bon Dieu bon opportunité ça pour arriver, pour joindre sans besoin, pour travailler sur projet là, parce que c'est ou même ni choisi pour venir moun ouvrier, c'est ou même ni choisi pour capoter projet ça. OK? Et then dit pas jamais dire qu'il est millionnaire et qu'il est accompli goal ça. Because s'il dit yo ka tout yon vent projet arriver. Parce que on connaît comme nous c'est humain, nous avons émotion. So we all have emotion. So when God tell you exactly the time you're gonna reach your goal, or you're gonna be billionaire, or you're gonna be millionaire, so you will talk to your friend, hey, I'm gonna be billionaire in 2022, not millionaire in 2022, so don't worry. The haters gonna block your road. God not gonna let you know. So there's faith where there's the same thing. As the same thing you're doing, you have faith with God on God. So that's the same thing you have to do for your dream. That's the same thing you have to do for your business. That's the same thing you have to do for your work. Because you need faith on everything that you're trying to plan. You need faith on everything that you're working with. You need faith that on everything, on everybody that you have to put in your crowd. You need faith on your project. You need faith on your work. You need faith on your strength. Because without that, you're not going to reach anything. And then don't forget that. Cut all lines holding you back down. Cut all lines. Is the bills going holding you back? Cut it out. Is the Netflix holding you back? Cut it out. Whatever is holding you back down or holding you back, like trying to stop you to reach your goal, cut it. Cut all lines. Trying to block you. Cut all nine trying to stop you. Cut everything, everybody on your becoming, on your surrounding, on your environment, trying to hold you back down. Do not give anybody that opportunity to hold you back down. You have to reach your goal. You have to go on the top and a certain level. You have to go on the top. You have to reach the top. You have to meet everybody in the summit. If you cannot meet me on the summit, stay down. Stay under. I will give you a change. I will give you some grit. Nothing else. I'm not going to let you hold me back down. I'm going to work on my business. I'm going to work on my dream. I'm going to work on my vision. I have to work on my future. Because not reach my goal, it's a consequences for my becoming. It's a consequences for my kids. It's a consequences for my family. I'm not going to let anybody hold me back down. I'm not going to give anybody that opportunity to hold me back down. You don't want to work? You're going to be in the top, on a certain level? Stay where you are. No problem. So I will salute you. Hey, how you doing? That's it. I'm not going to explain you what my dream is because you're not going to work with me. I'm not going to tell you exactly what I'm working on because you're not going to give me good advice to reach it. So that's your problem. Stay where you are. I'm gonna work on my own and reach it. Period. And then you will greet me later. Or you will say, "How? But we could I didn't see where you're going. So I congratulate you, bravo. Good. Clap your hands for me. Because I will work hard until I reach it. I will work very, very hard. Alright guys, this is Chilling in the Car with Benji Pirat. Don't forget that if you need any photo, video, anything you need as a multimedia stuff, which Lady Pro Photography Plus, 321-947-7498, and decoration either. If you want it, 321-947-7498. If you need Asian seasoning, you need pickles, you need cremas, like to enjoy your holidays or enjoy any type of cooking that you're doing home, but because you need the cremas at home, like so good. I will show you what it look like. I will show you in the other video what it look like. The cremas is so good. The pickles is so good. The seasoning, it's way good. So you need your food to be tasty, to be juicy. So Vabalicious is gonna help you out. Vabalicious is the one. Keep my mouth juicy with my Asian seasoning. So 321-947-7498. 321-947-7498. This is the one number that you have to call, and then you will have all that product with you. Photo, videos, business card, any other thing that you need in a media, and then decoration. You need to win something. You don't want to give me the thing for decoration? No problem. But you can win everything: tablecloths, chairs, and everything. You can win it from us. Like 321-947-7498. But don't forget that the pickles, the jar of pickles, we have small, medium, and large. So right now for the holidays, there's 5% off. 5% off on everything, and then anywhere you are, so you can have it. It's gonna be shipped to you. 321-947-7498. Okay.